Hello there, a real gem out of the 80s, back from 85. Check the ANSI standard sticker right here. This is indeed from the mid-80s. Echo CS-4500 had an easy access air filter. Next up, it had an option for a chain brake, like the Husqvarna, which has the chain brake on the back, on the cover, and the lever on the chainsaw. Not every one of them had this, but some you could have ordered with a chain brake. It has an on-the-go idling screw. Look at it. There again, the adjustable oil, automatic oil pump. Nothing special here. It's on-off switch, choke, and throttle trip for easier start. And that's rare. This, in addition to the automatic oiler, it has extra oil injection. You could inject extra oil for rough cuts and dry cuts, dry wood. This feature was presented only on big machines, and this one had it on 45 engine. This is the most professional 45 cc chainsaw you could maybe even today put your hands on. So it's a real gem. I love it.